the reproduction process. Okay, through the reproduction which takes place in a plant body, we call it the vegetative propagation. Are you understand? Yes. Vegetative propagation. Clear? So reproduction nothing but it is the production of new individuals from their parents or young ones from their parents is called the reproduction process. Chaitana. So you know this plant? Which plant this one?
Rose.
Yes. Say loudly.
Rose plant.
Rose plant. Okay. So this is the example for the either root modification or the stem modification.
Stem modification.
Stem modification. Yes, very good. So this is an example for the stem modification of the plant body. Okay, stem modification of the plant body. Can you give another one example for the flowering plant for the stem modification?
Hibiscus.
Hibiscus. Yes, very good. Hibiscus is also best example for the stem modification of the plant body. Clear? Hello? So listen, you know the plant body? Okay, so the plant which having the root, stem and the leaf. This is an example for the stem modification or root modification.
Stem modification.
Yes, say loudly.
Stem modification.
Stem modification. Yes. Ginger is also an example for the stem modification. This is the radish. This is a vegetable. You know that. Okay. So this is the example for the either root modification or stem modification.
Root modification.
Root modification. Yes. Very good. Potato is an example for either stem or root or leaf modification.
Stem modification.
Stem modification. Very good. So because of it is having the buds. Okay. It is having the nodes and the internodes. This is called the eyes. Okay. This is called the eyes, which cuts into and grow the another potatoes. Okay. So this is an example for the
Stem modification.
stem modification. Yes. Very good. So listen. This is an example for
Underground stem modification.
Yes, very good. This is an example for
Underground stem modification.
What is this?
Onion.
Okay. And then